Now we discuss an important portion of 3D. Okay, we want to calculate and we want to find out the equation of a line which is passes through one point and parallel to the another line, or we can say a vector. Okay, we have to find out the equation of a line. Okay, in a Cartesian form as well as a vector form also. Okay, so first of all, I can do a diagram. You can see here I have a 3D plan like x, y, and z. Okay, so I can assume that I have a point A. Okay, a line which is passes through a point A, or this point I can say the coordinate of this point is x1, y1, z1, right? I can join that OA, right? And this line is parallel to another line or vector B, right? So the line L1, I can say this line is L1 according to the concept. Line L1 is parallel to vector B, right? And let's assume that a coordinate of point A is x1, x, y, x1, y1, z1. I can say x1, y1, z1, right? I can assume, I can suppose that a point P also on the same line, okay? And the coordinate of this point P is x, y, z, right? And I can join OP, right? So in this term, you can see here the OP is vector R, I can say, and OA is vector A, right? And AP, vector AP is parallel to the line vector B. Okay, I hope you understand here. So, students, we need to calculate, we need to find out the equation of a line AP, or I can say L1, which is passing through a point A and parallel to the another line or vector B, right? So we know that the condition when a line is parallel to the another line, the condition is I can say that AP is equal to lambda vector B. Okay, lambda any scalar quantity, right? So I can say the equation number 1. Now you can see here that we have a triangle OAP. Okay, and we can use a triangle property according to the vector. In triangle OAP, according to the triangle rule, sum of triangle rule, we can use that OA, vector OA plus vector AP, right? And you can see here this direction. Okay, we can observe the direction of vector OA, AP, right? But in case direction of OP is opposite, then we can write down the minus sign. Okay, OP is equal to 0, right? Also we can write down the OA vector plus vector AP is equal to vector OP. Okay, I hope you understand. And now vector OA, we already discussed that vector A plus vector AP is from equation number 1, we can put here lambda vector B, and OP is vector R. Now this is the equation of line which is passes through one point and parallel to the another line, and this is the vector form of equation, right? Vector R is equal to A plus lambda vector B. Equation number 2, I can say. Now we need to find out the Cartesian form of the line. So Cartesian form. How can we find out the Cartesian form? First of all, we can write down here the position vector of OA. The position vector of OA is xi cap plus yj cap x1, y1, and z1 k cap, right? Similarly, or I can say vector A, okay? And vector R, which is vector OP, the position vector of OP is xi cap plus yj cap and z k, right? And we have vector B. Vector B is a line, okay, a parallel line or vector. So the position vector of vector B is A I cap, B j cap, and C k cap, I can say, right? So you can put all these equations in equation number 2. We can put, okay, and we can substitute or we can replace, okay. So x1 for A, vector A, x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, right? Plus lambda vector B is A I cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, right? And vector r which is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, right? I hope you understand. Now you can transfer this term, you can transfer to other side. Space, so I can remove this portion, drop this portion, okay? So now we have, you can take separate on the other side, it will be x minus x1 into I cap, y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap is equal to lambda a I cap, b j and c k cap, right? Now you can compare LHS and RHS side. Then it will be x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c is equal to lambda. It is the Cartesian form of equation, okay, a line, equation of a line which is passes through one point and parallel to the another vector or line, right? So that is our Cartesian form. I hope you understand it here, student. Okay, this is the important portion, and similarly we will discuss another point, another concept of a line, which is a line passes through a 2 point. Okay, so you can write down. If you have any issue, you can ask me right now. Okay.